Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, as you have seen, I have told you about data types and I have told you, explained you about each and every data type. That is numeric data types. In that we have three different types, that is integers, float and complex numbers. And I have also told you about the dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type, that is strings, tuple, list, etc. etc. So I have also explained you about how to print any particular year's calendar in just 9 lines of code in yesterday's video. So now let's proceed with variables today. So what is a variable actually? Variables in Python are named memory location which store some data temporarily. So the variable holds any kind of data that you have. Like we have seen, we can give any type of data, that is integer, float, complex number, strings, etc. We can give any type of data in a variable, and it stores that data temporarily in that variable. So a variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. The variable, like if I'm giving a is equal to 10, it is created here. Whenever I declare a here, it is automatically created there. Wherein any other programming language, we need to write the int, like int, and declare the variables here, and then with a semicolon and semicolon, and then we need to use that variable. We need to assign the value to it, and we need to use that variable in the further code. But in Python, it's not like that. It is we can declare it directly like this, like a is equal to 10, or we can declare b is equal to anything. We can declare any variable name can be any name except the reserved keywords in Python. So in Python we can declare multiple variables in one line. So unlike in other programming languages, we can declare multiple variables in a single line. So in Python we can assign multiple values to one variable. Like if I have here I have assigned a is equal to 10. So I'm printing a here, and I'm assigning a is equal to 400, and I'm printing so here I am using the same variable name but with different values, and I'm showing you what will be the scenario. So I have assigned a is equal to 10 here, and it has printed 10 as I've printed it, and I have changed the value for it to 400, and I've printed a again, so it has changed the value to 400. So we can assign multiple values to one variable like I've shown you in this Python program. So in the fourth point, we have nothing but in Python, a variable value can be of any size. There is no limit for it. So like in other programming languages, we have int, long int, etc. etc. So in Python, we don't have that. We can write a is equal to any number, and still it will print it. There is no limit, or there is no size for this Python variable. So in Python, if multiple variables are holding same value, it will refer to one object instead of creating a new object. So let me show you this now. So I am commenting this, guys, so that otherwise I'll create a new program with the name variable 2. So I'm taking a is equal to 100, print a, b is equal to 100, print b. I'm also printing their ID. So to print the particular address or ID address of that particular variable, you need to use the ID function here, ID of A. Similarly, I'll print the ID of B so that you can understand what I mean. So I have taken a is equal to 100 and printed a, Then I've printed the ID of A. Then I've taken B is equal to 100, printed B and the ID of B. So let me show you what will be the output of this. So you can see guys, I've printed A here, it's 100, and the ID of A is 2081336800. And I'm printing B here, and B is 100, and I'm printing this ID of B. Again, it is printing the same thing, because so by this I can tell you that it is not creating multiple objects for a particular value. It is referring to the same object instead of creating a new object here. As I've already told you, all the data types or all the variables that are in Python are in object type. So print type of A and print type of B, and when I'm running it, so it is creating a class object here and not any other object. So it in this class object, class int object, it is referring to the same memory location instead of creating a new one. So we have 5 different types of variables in Python, guys. That is global variables, local variables, arguments or parameters, instance, and static variables. So we'll be discussing about these in the further classes in the next videos. So enough for the day, guys. That's it. See you all in the next video. Hope you've liked the video. If you've liked it, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.